With the Rex components in front of you, ensure the frame's headrest is facing up and pointed away. Now, locate the right side wheel, identified by a green label, and place it next to the right side of the frame. Stand the Rex frame upright, with the headrest pointed down. Identify the wheel axle insertion point. It is the larger of the 5 holes on the pivot joint. Pick up the right wheel. Familiarize yourself with how pressing the large black button on the wheel's hub actuates release pins on the axle. To install the wheel, first align the axle with the insertion point. Pivot the wheel until it is parallel to the frame and the axle seats into the opening. Next, press and hold the button on the wheel's hub. This will allow the wheel to be pushed into the insertion point and lock in place. Units equipped with braking rods may have alignment issues if a fender covers the rod. To correct this, simply rotate the fender until the wheel can contact the rod. Retrieve the left wheel and use the identical process to install it on the opposite side of the frame. Lower Rex back with the headrest facing up. From the side, locate and pull the release cable located between the panels. Once disengaged, the upper panel may be raised and will lock into place automatically. Tilt Rex back so the headrest is resting on the floor. Locate and pull the second release cable between the panels. Raise the lower panel while pulling the release cable so it can fully extend. Locate the tow bar release pin and pull it downward. This allows the tow bar to swing upward and lock into place. Now raise the forward kickstand to its extended and locked position. Lower the fully assembled Rex onto the ground for final adjustments. Use the release cable to adjust the backrest to a preferred position. It is important to ensure that both fenders are properly secured to the frame using the Velcro connection points. Finally, release and pivot the headrest. Push it down firmly to lock it in place. If used for stair descent operations, attach the included safety strap to the connection point. Congratulations! Your Rex is now ready to move patients and save lives.